Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be unboxing the VenVolt 2, Ventev's new and improved portable battery pack. This FCC and EC compliant product is designed to power Wi-Fi access points while conducting site surveys. You will see this product provides great value while driving efficiency for your site surveys in terms of battery capacity. So without further ado, let's get started. First, when you purchase the VenVolt 2, you will also be getting this sleek carrying case. As you can see, it has the Ventev logo on it in all black, and zips open and close very easily. Next is an external case that enables the VenVolt 2 to mount to a pole while conducting site surveys. The VenVolt 2 also comes with a 1 meter USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, a wall port with North American prongs, a UK adapter, and an EU adapter. But you're here to check out the VenVolt 2, so let's get started. The lithium polymer battery has a capacity of 26,400 milliamp hour or 98 watt hours, which is the highest capacity battery that the TSA will allow in your carry-on luggage. The high capacity battery enables you to conduct site surveys for 4 to 8 hours between charges. When it comes time to recharge, it'll only take 2 to 3 hours to achieve full charge. The VenVolt 2 battery pack is approximately 8.5 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 1 inch in height, and is just over 2 pounds, so it is a lightweight, compact product. The battery pack itself is protected by a durable aluminum casing. On the bottom of the battery pack is where you can find the USB Type-C input-output, USB Type-A output, an on-off toggle switch that you can easily switch back and forth, and 3 RJ45 connectors, a 24-volt gig PoE output, a LAN port, and an 802.3 AF, AT, and BT Type 4 gig PoE output. In summary, the VenVolt 2 is a compact, lightweight, high-capacity battery pack that can be used across all verticals and is compatible with most access points. For any value-added reseller who works in Wi-Fi, this is a product that will improve the efficiency of your site surveys. It provides power where and when you need it most. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the VenVolt 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about the VenVolt 2 or if you have any questions, please visit ventevinfra.com today.